Hey guys, my name is Mo. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. Okay, so for today's video, we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree DIY. This one is fairly easy and it's so glam and it's so cute. So this is what you'll be making. So guys, it is so easy to make and everything you can get at the Dollar Tree, of course, besides your paint, but everything you can get is at the Dollar Tree. So that's why I love it, because it's always budget friendly when I'm doing these DIYs. So I hope you guys enjoy this video today and this easy glam DIY wall decor for your home. So since I'm decorating, I thought, hey, why not make another DIY for my wall? And I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so for this Dollar Tree glam frame DIY, this is all of the supplies that you're going to need. Everything you can get at the Dollar Tree minus my spray. So I got this 8x10 frame here that you can see. You're going to need your hot glue gun. You're going to need some scissors. And this is the placemat that I got from Dollar Tree. So it is the Napperon, I guess. So just basically you're going to be looking for one of these. I think they come in different colors, but I got this green one. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your Dollar Tree frame and you're going to take the backing off of it. Next thing you're going to do, you're going to put this aside. So in order to get this into the frame correctly, you're going to just go ahead and take your frame and you're going to place it down onto your mat. And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and just cut around this backing of your frame. Okay guys, so this is how it looks once I'm done. You have a perfect square. I'm gonna go ahead and take this to the garage and show you how I sprayed this. Okay, so once you are done and it has dried, this is how your piece will look. So beautiful, and I love the weaving of it, how it looks. So the next thing you're gonna do, and like I said, this project is so quick, so the next thing you're gonna do after it has dried, you're going to take your glass frame. Of course you want to wipe it down, and you're going to put this backing on there so it faces. Now the other side is still going to be green, but of course that's just the back side of it. You don't have to spray both sides. So you're going to place it into your frame as such. And this is where the glue gun comes in. Because you have the sides here, you will take your glue gun and you will go ahead and just on the corners here, if you can see, let's move that away, but just on the corners, not necessarily in the center, but on the corners, you want to just lay down the portions of your piece that you cut out, so that way the glue gun can secure it down. And I will show you how it looks, but I'm going to go ahead and start with the corners and just put a little bit of the glue gun here. So I will show you how that looks. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. This is how it will look. Look how gorgeous that looks, guys, and look how simple it was, and everything you can get is at the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to show you how it looks on my wall. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video and this DIY. If so, give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you guys. And also, don't forget to click that little bell next to the subscribe button so that you'll be notified of all my new video uploads. Thank you so much guys for tuning into my channel. All my returning subscribers, thank you so much for all your support and all you do. And if you're new, like I said, I would love to have you part of the MoBella family. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also, as I always say, don't forget to live your life beautifully. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.